If you're searching for a powerful, stylish, and future-ready gaming laptop, the Thunderobot Zero 16 might just be your perfect match. You will find the link to this product in description below at the best price. This machine is engineered for serious performance and top-tier visuals, making it ideal for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. Featuring a 14th Gen Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and the mighty GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, this laptop delivers blazing speeds and high frame rates for demanding titles and intensive workloads. The 16-inch QHD plus 2.5K display brings every image to life with stunning clarity and a smooth 240Hz refresh rate, giving you a competitive edge with fluid motion and accurate colors. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing, or multitasking, this ultra-crisp screen keeps you fully immersed. It's more than just fast visuals, it's a canvas for creativity and pro play alike. Paired with 64GB of DDR5 RAM and a massive 2TB SSD, you'll experience ultra-fast boot times, instant application launches, and seamless multitasking with zero lag. Built to keep up with your demands, this laptop also boasts a future-ready design packed with modern connectivity. With multiple USB ports including super-speed USB-A and USB-C, HDMI, RJ45 Ethernet, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi 6, you're always connected with minimal latency and maximum speed. The RGB Backlit Keyboard adds flair to your gameplay sessions, while the numeric keypad makes daily productivity more convenient. It's a machine that balances beauty and muscle effortlessly. Not just about performance, the Thunderobot Zero 16 is a statement piece. With its sleek white chassis, premium materials, and precise construction, this laptop is as durable as it is beautiful. Enhanced cooling technology ensures consistent performance even during marathon gaming sessions, while the high-fidelity audio system rounds out the immersive experience. Whether you're gaming on the go or setting up a high-performance battle station, it delivers power and portability in one. Trusted by over 20 million users worldwide, Thunderobot is a brand built for gamers who don't compromise. The Zero 16 exemplifies that mission, crystallizing peak performance, stylish design, and future-ready features into a single device that exceeds expectations. So if you're ready to level up your gaming experience with raw power and premium design, this one's a no-brainer. Make sure to click the link in description below for the latest price today.